welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. So here's today's bag. It's feeling very much like some sort of a card. Let's find out. Oh, another piece of white paper. Oh, it's a little envelope. Ooh, oh, I like that one. So, crochet makes everything better. You know the truth. Well, fortuitously, I actually bought some extra frames because I know I often get these sort of cards. They sometimes come with packaging, and I thought, well, I'll get a few spares just in case whilst I'm there. So, is that actually showing up? There we go. That's better. Well, I like that one. It's another one to add to the collection. Brilliant. Right, I shall be popping that in a frame shortly. So thank you for that, Carly. We had the most fantastic night last night. The rain stopped, which was amazing. And, well, I'm just going to leave the film to tell you all about it. So we've got busy day today. I've got to go and do a food shop. I've got to put together some Etsy orders and get those to the post office. And we've said that we're going to decorate the Christmas tree and have a bit of a family afternoon and evening. So I'm not going to be able to pop back later because I want to spend some time with my family. So I will see you tomorrow for day 16 of Vlogmas. So have a lovely rest of your day, lovely evening, and I shall see you tomorrow. Happy hooking!